Okej, här är planeringen av TGOAP for Unity, Tistou's goal-oriented action planning. We have here mono behavior and NPC who derives from mono behavior and sense who derives from mono behavior. The NPCs is just like the main NPC component on the NPC game object. And the senses is a parent class to these ear sense, touch sense, eye sense. They all do basically different things, but all of them return a list of game objects that is detected. For example, the player or an object like a cup or a stone or a sword or a pickup or whatever. So, and for example, the eyes are connected to the head of the puppet master. So when your animation moves the head, the eye actually moves and detects different things. And the ears can be programmed, touch sense can be programmed, and additional senses, sixth sense can be programmed, etc., etc. Smell, whatever. We go back to the NPC component here. It has alertness percentage. If it's 100%, it's working fast. It's fast. It thinks fast. It uses a lot of processing power to focus and do thinking and thinking fast. We have a TGOAP prefab. This is the TGOAP. It's a scriptable object that goes into here. The NPC, the first thing it does, it instantiates its TGOAP, so it clones this one. This is a file, it's a scriptable object. It could be a goblin TGOAP. It's like the brain. It could be a goblin TGOAP or a guard TGOAP. And they have, a TGOAP has a set of beliefs, it has a set of senses, these are the senses, and it has a set of actions and a set of goals and one plan. The plan is the plan that they are currently doing and they don't have any else. Maybe they have a list of plans that are available, but this one is the plan that they're doing. So how do they make the plan? They look at their goal list and for somehow it finds the prioritized goal and tries to make a plan to reach that goal. So the goal, for example, here is connected to this one. The goal is implements an I state or has a state or is a state. It's the same with belief. A belief is a state or has a state. And why they have to be the same state is because the TGOAP has to make the planning correctly, because goal-oriented action planning connects the belief with the goal. So they have to check if a belief is the same as a goal and if a goal is the same as a belief. When do you do that? It do that in the actions. This is the action that it uses. Action has a belief of preconditions and a list of beliefs with our effects. And in GoUp, you connect actions as a list. You connect one action with a precondition and match that with X. If you don't understand, you have to check up the thing, how GoUp works. The action has a confidence percentage, which helps the agent decide how sure it is to achieve this action. It could be connected to machine learning to increase the confidence if they do something continually and it continues to work, and lessen the confidence if it doesn't work. Anyway, the action is also a scriptable object, so it has an animation clip as well. For example, the action of throwing a stone. It has an animation clip, and during the action it instantiates the stone, or the agent lets go of the stone and applies a force to the stone so the stone flies away. And the precondition is that it's holding a stone, basically. I guess these shouldn't be beliefs, it should be states. And this should be also a state. So they can connect. So these ones can connect to these ones. Their states. So both the TGOAP has a list of available actions. For example, the guard can patrol, maybe. The spider can climb a wall action, but the guard can't climb a wall. The other part that uses actions is the plan. The plan uses actions, and here it becomes a little bit, we have to think about this, because the action should not have, the belief in the action should not have a confidence percentage. It's only the agent, the NPC, the TGOAP, that should have confidence percentage of their beliefs. And actually confidence percentage connected to their internal action or learned action, or maybe it should be a knowledge thing. Maybe it should be another class here that it uses, or something, I'm not sure. See, what else? The TGOAP can scramble its beliefs. This is to lighten the load on the processor, and it does randomly detect, maybe it randomly detects a player, it randomly detects a new goal, it randomly detects a new item in the scene, to create sheep life. Random is a good function to use in games. I think that's about it for now. This needs to be improved. This means it's a data class. Whatever. Okay, goodbye.